Of Middle Tennesseans. This is Bob Bullen of Middle Tennessee State University with our guest Charles Bubba Murphy, the symbol and legend of Middle Tennessee athletics. Considered one of the finest coaches of his era, Bubba Murphy amassed a record of 155 wins, 62 losses, and 9 ties. During that period of time, his teams totally dominated the Volunteer State Athletic Conference, and he won or tied for 7 OVC titles. He had 4 undefeated teams and 4 bowl teams and turned down an invitation to a 5th bowl. During this period of time, he produced 10 Little All-Americas. At one point, 1965, 55 of his former players were counted as head coaches in high schools around the area. Coach Murphy was also a successful baseball coach at MTSU, but his record goes far beyond that. He was a successful high school player. At MTSU, which was then Middle Tennessee Teachers College, I believe, he was a 4-sport letterman. In World War II, he served as a lieutenant in the Navy. But when he graduated from college, he had a fine and illustrious baseball career in the New York Giants farm system. After World War II, he returned to Peabody, received his master's degree, and was soon called home to his old school, where he began a long and illustrious coaching career.